Okay, what's up, guys? I'm back for the second time today. I thought about it and I decided that this was not an acceptable amount of review. Um, I feel like I only did half the review, which were the notes from my journal. And then this other half where I could have done better, entries I should have been in that I wasn't in, that was overlooked. And so I am going to just fast forward here. Interesting. Okay, Envy and I thought I could have done much better on this one. I was watching it. Oof. Okay, I miss it. I missed that. I missed that first dip. I'm like, okay, so where's the next one? Where do I get in here? Where is this next entry? That was tricky. That dip was very fast. Very, very fast. Looking for a good entry here. Right there would be it. Okay, so that would be the entry. I know that it would have been good. Like I know the results of this, and so like I know it would have been good. I think what would have been sketchy is if I actually had to stop out on that. That would have been an expensive stop out. It would have been expensive. Um, Ideally, that first dip was where I would have got in, but again, that was a super fast dip. Like we could even just replay. Okay, actually, good point as well. I don't pull up this chart until there, and it's already an extension, and it's like, okay, well, I don't just I try not to just jump into stuff. So even if it's on a dip, yeah, into the 50s would have been nice. Okay. All right, so that was a hard one. What about here? Okay, so under 7, maybe right there. Cut, back in, cut, back in. Boom. Okay. Hard. Hmm. Good follow through right here. Oh boy. Test under 7 right there was a solid place to be. So up here, I see this candle closing, taps 745 on the front side still. If I'm thinking, okay, break a 7, buy, I get rewarded for that pretty significantly here. About 20 to the tune of 20 cents. Okay. Now, retap, boom, buy back. Sell. Flat. Oh. Okay, so now I'm thinking make a new low here. It's below 80. I'm not going to take the push higher. Okay, so now two things happening at once. What should I focus on? I would still say Indian eye. Buy. So. Buy. So. Buy. So. Okay, so I'd give it all back right there. It's interesting. Didn't even show low. So not chasing it. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Yeah, so I got to get more tuned in and remain focused at the lows, because that's where the most opportunity is, basically. Not that it's risk free, but there is quite a bit of range to be had, especially in like candles like that. Buy. Uh, Sell. Mm. Yeah, I should have been in this already around 75 ish. Selling. Whew. Savage. Savage rejection. Good spot for it, but savage still. Yeah. Hmm. All right, let's see here. Green, green, green. Where could I have done better here? Okay, this was such a good position. Then I jump back in. Huh. Hmm. Was late to that, or I got slippage, whatever. Huh. Way too high on that one, especially after all this nonsense. That was scary. Hmm. Okay, so this was what I should have been in retrospect. Okay, boom. We'll dip there. It's holding. Man. Sketchy. About break even still. I probably would have cut it. And then I would have sold here. Buy back. Okay, I'm a little late on that. Huh. Huh. See, I lose money on that. Hmm. Okay, so that dip right there could have been bought, I think. First below 25. Hmm. Hmm. I botched that entire thing. And why was it botched? I even botched it on the review. So this section here on the way up, and then on the review playing the way down, that doesn't look fantastic. This hmm. That would have been a good dip there, although risky. Hmm. Okay, so now there's a bit of consolidation, a little bit better of a spot to buy. Maybe right there, 212. Cutting, buying back. Hmm. Selling. No, that's not the way. Buying backwards again.
As the rain falls down from the heavens, think of how far I came since '87. Took my hustle and made it a weapon.
Yeah. So it looked ugliest right there, and that was the most opportunity. There's a little opportunity right here. Would that be an opportunity too? I don't know. That'd be a sketch. Like third time, third time's a charm, you know. And this 5 minute candle is looking bonkers, but I guess that was the move on this one. You just buy at the bottom and hope it doesn't evaporate downwards. Even here, as it breaks low. Wow. Huh. feels heavy there. Feels like it's going to fail. It's coming at a crucial time point too. But then that happens. That was very fast. Okay, so buy that maybe. But now you're a couple cents off the lows already with the 5-minute closing. Sketchy. Then what happens here? Puts you in mid-range. Closes strong. Pops up. And then from here, what do you think about it? Maybe back under 19 is where you want it. Seems to be holding here. Okay, here we go. There we go. Back to 19. Back to 19. Doesn't want to go. Wants to close strong. Annoying. There we go. Come on. Huh. Hmm. Jesus. That was crazy. A lot of pent up demand here for shares once it started pushing above. But once it died out, like it just doesn't. I don't know. Be honest, I was kind of careless. I could have easily ended up red on that one. I didn't feel like. Okay, so here, I didn't feel like I had good edge. It's a good position, but I didn't want to hold. I wasn't really making any progress till this exploded. Huh. And then once this closed, half an hour close is really, really strong. By there. Whoa, doggy. Sell there. Buy there. Ooh. Hmm. Yeah, I would have to unload here pretty soon. So. Was sketchy. Definitely sketchy. Could buy there. Come on, go higher. Ooh. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. I think I had an oversimplified version of what I needed to do in my head. Not doing during this, but in retrospect, I was like, yeah, just buy candle lows. It's not quite as simple. Um, Not at all, really. Like this one, I would really have loved to be able to catch in a better way than how I did it. Okay, so it's pulling down, buying. Yeah. I have a penchant for wanting to be able to control my entries and exits. And sometimes when I trade fast like this, I don't feel like I actually can control these entries and exits. It's pretty obvious before when like in this area down here when it was going up and I wasn't really making any money. Those were annoying, but once it did open up. All right, I think I'll cut it there. Definitely stuff to think about. When it goes down like this, those are hard. Buy. Oh, such a high fill. All right, I think I'm overthinking this. But important not to underthink this tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna call it.